Great. My name is Raya, and those are my team members, Raven and David. And we believe that small makerspaces have to put up with a lot of inconveniences. Think of too much noise, difficulty in use, and no storage. Wouldn't it be nice if there's something that diffuses this noise, be easy to set up, and provide unlimited storage possibilities? This is exactly the question we've been asking ourselves since we became the workshop tool storage group. We were the remaining ones during the group formation, and hence our initial concepts were completely different. And because of that, it took us long discussions and lots of references and sketches, but we managed to agree on one rough concept: a separation wall with an acoustic and a storage side. Then we fell quite behind schedule because we were all envisioning a completely different wall. And therefore, we were constantly generating new ideas, trying to agree on something. And we only managed to make some real progress when we created a matrix and evaluated those ideas. Then after one tutoring, we got a homework to draw individually the wall we understood from our discussions. And this was the result of it, the same wall. And from then on, it was very smooth. We just had to troubleshoot a few things like the connections, the dimensions, and the details in general. So now we're very happy to present to you the Wall-in-One and our catalog. Wall-in-One is a modular separation wall with a grid on both sides, predominantly made from E-core for CMake and other multifunctional makerspaces. And just because you're just getting started with our wall, we'll walk you through the steps. You first have to decide whether you want to place the panels on a wall or as a separation wall. And please know that it can be mounted horizontally if placed on a wall. Then you choose the color of the wall panels and the sizes that would suit you. You can then have additional elements. The tool holders and the shelves are covered with an HPL layer to protect them. This is what makes those colors possible, and the palette is chosen to emphasize that and contrast with the natural looking E-core. You can also choose from the Acoustic series. The acoustic panels are laser cut and engraved from a flat piece of E-core and then folded. We find this technique very suitable for E-core. There is also the diagonal series, which is designed to make use of the diagonal grid on the wall. Then you have to assemble your order. You first place the two outer poles, then you join the wall panels together with the connectors. You lift that up, you slide it in the slots. Then you can place the shelves and the tool holders with the aid of a rubber hammer. To assemble the acoustic panels, you need to stitch the elastic band through the holes. You fold it and you secure it with the hooks. To mount it on the wall, you need to slightly open the sides, position it in place, and then let go so the band can wrap tightly around the wall grid. You're free to arrange that however you like it. The overall wall is made of two wall panels bolted together. Each of them has two layers of 25mm E-core. The wall grid is made through CNC milling with a depth of 27mm. And we have here a few scenarios of how our wall could be used. It can, of course, be tool storage, but it can also be put in an office. It could be purely an aesthetic element or used by a regular user in their garage. This was Wall-in-One, and thank you for your time.